If you're experiencing login issues with your Qonto business account, follow these straightforward steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct email address and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity, as passwords are often case sensitive. Step 2. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the sr.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes stored data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again to see if the problem persists. Step 4. Update your browser. Ensure that you are using the latest version of your web browser. An outdated browser may not support the Qonto platform properly, leading to login difficulties. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Qonto's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues on Qonto Business. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from their support team.